guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your super whitening body scrub. This is the kind of body scrub that skincare formulators sell as Egyptian whitening body scrub, magic whitening body scrub, this other one, half-cast body scrub, Filipino set, and all of that. So if you would like to know how to make yours by yourself at home, or even if you want to sell, this is also a very good formulation that you can sell. Keep on watching this video and we'll get right into it. So hello, my name is Falashade. If you are seeing me for the first time, I usually think about skincare, lifestyle, fashion, all of that good stuff. If you like to, see more of this content and of me, please take a moment and watch 2, 3 or more videos so you can be convinced that you should subscribe to this channel. So my OG subscribers, hi you guys, I hope you are well. How have you been? Talk to me. How have you been? So to the main reason why we are here today, this particular scrub is a very good exfoliate. It has a lot of natural whitening ingredients that helps to, since you're not even leaving them on your skin, you're literally washing your skin and then you're washing them off your skin. They are whitening, the ingredients are whitening, but they don't do too much. They don't ruin your skin and all of that good stuff. It's like a body polish, to just whiten your skin. So you'll be needing Maine Beach whitening scrub. It is a scrub that is already prepared. So this is what it looks like. You'll be needing half of it, and you'll be needing 4 tablespoons of arbutin powder. Arbutin powder is a very good and safe and effective whitening and even natural whitening ingredient. You'll be needing 4 tablespoons of it. You'll be needing 2 tablespoons of Kojic serum. Kojic acid is also a very good whitening ingredient. They even recommend it, dermatologists tend to recommend it for people with a serious case of hyperpigmentation. So it is also very good, safe and effective. 2 tablespoons of Kojic serum. You'll be doing 2 tablespoons of mulberry extract. 2 tablespoons of mulberry extract. Mulberry extract is a very good and natural whitening ingredient. We actually use mulberry extract to formulate soap for kids. That's how safe it is. It is safe for kids, so it is also very safe for adults, and it is very effective. You'll be needing 2 tablespoons of that. You'll be needing 1 tablespoon of carrot powder. Carrot naturally has lightening ingredients that just glows the skin and all of that. Eating carrots alone has something it does to your skin. So yes, you'll be needing 1 tablespoon of carrot powder. You'll be needing 1 tablespoon of alum powder. Alum powder does more like the exfoliant there, since there will be no salt or sugar. Alum powder is a very good exfoliant where you are trying to even formulate body scrub for the feet or for very tough parts of the body. Alum powder is one of the major ingredients, so that's how you know that it is a very good and effective powder. And then we'll be needing vitamin E for the moisturizing part of it, so that it will not be too harsh, such that it strips your skin of the natural oils and moisture. You'll be needing 5 drops of vitamin E. So all you have to do is get a very good container, clean, sterilized container. Make sure your work environment is also very good and sterilized. Mix all of this together. I would advise that you start mixing your powders together first. So pour all your powders together, like your arbutin powder, your mulberry extract, your licorice powder, your carrot powder, and your alum powder. Mix everything together and make sure that there are no lumps. Then you add your scrub. You either pour the powders into your scrub or you pour your scrub into it, which one works for you. Make sure you scrub make sure you mix very well. You can just mix with your hands if you are wearing gloves, or have a spatula to mix with. Mix very well, make sure that there are no lumps or anything of such. Then you add your serum and your drop of vitamin E. Feel free to add preservative if you want, since you'll be using them in the bathroom and there'll be water inside. Feel free to add any form of preservative at all. You can just add a few 3 or 4 drops of the preservative, and that is it. Also, if you like to add fragrance to it, that is if you want to sell, you can add fragrance if you want. I naturally don't like fragrance on my body, on my face, or on my skin. I do not like fragrances at all, but that's my preference. If you want to use any fragrance, feel free to add a few drops of fragrance to it. And please, if you are selling this particular recipe, please make sure you cost it very well. Okay, cost it well. It is effective and it is expensive. Yeah, that's it. That's all for this video, guys. I'm all about using very effective stuff and cashing out. If you are selling, you should be cashing out. Are you guys Anyways, that's all for this video, guys. Enough of the shenanigans. I will see you in another one. Peace.